I never have done that before. Looked out this morning. I thought, that's funny. So I went out and I checked the mailbox, and there was these two big envelopes sticking out of the mailbox. Before I turned them over, so let me say I was instantly, I felt violated when I saw these with my name and my wife's name, full names, on the envelopes, and what it says on the outside of the envelope that you can, clearly see without even peeking into the envelope or anything. You can see that my wife and I have a COVID vaccine that has been reserved with our name on it, I guess, at the local vaccination center. So we have not taken our vaccine. And the lengths that they're going to is disturbing. The bribes, the threats, the coercion, the lies, the propaganda. It's from every possible angle, and it's desperation. And now they're outing people who've not been vaccinated, right? This is potentially someone's health information on the outside of an envelope. They're not sending this to people who are fully vaccinated. This is just people in a database, right? I'm in a database now of people that have not been vaccinated. And this is just the beginning.